Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to use Microsoft Copilot directly inside Microsoft Teams chat. An easy way to get summarize, find information, and boost productivity with AI. Let's get started. What is Microsoft Copilot in Teams? Copilot works right beside you inside Microsoft Teams. It pulls useful information from your emails, documents, presentations, calendar, notes, and chat messages all in one place. So instead of searching through long chat or folders, Copilot finds what you need instantly. On the left side of Microsoft Teams, click Chat. This will open all your conversations and Copilot tools appear. At the top of your Teams chat list, click Copilot. This opens a dedicated Copilot chat window where you can ask a question and get instant AI powered help. In the Copilot chat box, type anything you need. Copilot will respond using the data available in your Microsoft 365 account. You can click the sources link to see exactly where the information came from. Remember, AI generated content may not always be perfect, so checking the sources is important. That's it. You now know how to use Microsoft Copilot inside Microsoft Teams chat. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.